Get ready to indulge in a mouth-watering delight that combines the irresistible crunch of a perfectly fried exterior with the tender and juicy goodness of marinated chicken. Our fried chicken cutlet recipe is a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds craving for more. From the rich and savory marinade to the flaky dough and the golden brown coating, every step of this recipe is carefully crafted to deliver a truly unforgettable culinary experience. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's dive into the art of creating the ultimate crispy and juicy fried chicken cutlet. To prepare the fried chicken cutlet, begin by marinating the chicken in a flavorful blend of soy sauce, freshly ground pepper, aromatic garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and fragrant coriander. Allow the chicken to rest in this marinade for a minimum of 4 hours, allowing the flavors to infuse and tenderize the meat. Once the marinating time is complete, it's time to create the perfect batter for your cutlet. In a mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour, creamy milk, and eggs, whisking them together until a smooth, velvety consistency is achieved. This batter will lend a delightful coating to the chicken, ensuring a crispy and satisfying texture. Now, let's move on to the flaky dough, which will add an extra layer of deliciousness to your cutlet. In a separate bowl, combine all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and water, gently mixing them until a light and airy dough forms. This flaky dough will elevate the overall texture of your fried chicken cutlet, creating a delightful contrast with the crispy exterior. Lastly, it's time to coat the marinated chicken in a final layer of all-purpose flour. This coating will seal in the flavors, while also providing an additional crunch to the cutlet when it's fried. Once the chicken is evenly coated, carefully place it in a frying pan with low heat, allowing it to cook until it turns a light golden brown. Allow it to sizzle in the elevated heat until it reaches a beautifully golden brown color and develops a mouth-watering crisp exterior. The end result of this meticulous preparation will be a tantalizingly crispy, tender, and juicy fried chicken cutlet. Each bite will offer a delightful contrast of flavors and textures, with the marinated chicken perfectly complemented by the crispy coating and flaky dough.